Ceeb Jenn, rice with fish. A main dish from Senegal. Serves 2. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Chop half of 1 onion and 1/4 of 1 red pepper. Add garlic, parsley, and a pinch of salt. Pound the ingredients together with a mortar and pestle, or puree them in a blender until they form a paste. Step 2. Make a 1-inch slit in the large stew pot over medium and stuff the paste inside. Chop the remaining onions and fry them in the oil. Add the dried fish and the stuffed fish steaks and fry until golden. Remove the fried fish steaks from the oil and set them aside temporarily. Stir the tomato puree and the water into the hot oil and bring the mixture to a boil. Mix in the carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin and cassava and cook for 15 minutes. Add the remaining vegetables and return the fish steaks to the boiling stew. Ladle off 2 half quarts of the stew liquid into a pot to cook the rice. Float 1 whole red pepper the vegetables and the fish to simmer covered for 20 minutes. Add the rice to the poured off liquid and bring to a boil. Step 5. Reduce the heat and cover until the rice is evenly across the bottom of your serving bowl or platter with a deep edge, and arrange the fish and vegetables in one heaping mound at the center of the rice. Step 6. Serve with lime quarters. Step 7. For variety, you can also try Ceeb yap, rice with meat, using lamb, beef or chicken. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.